a paper towel in an African home does not do one thing. So when you're done, you can also pass it around here and then you throw it. So hi, welcome back to the channel. My name is Rita and I'm the cooking nurse. And today we are going to use the marinade we made in the last video. If you haven't checked out that video, please go back and check it out. While you're doing that, the rest of us, please subscribe, like this video, share it with your friends. It makes YouTube think, or actually know, that the content we are producing, you like it and other people are interested also. So it suggests my content to more people and then we get more views and then we make some more money in adverts and then we are able to produce more content daily. Yeah. Thank you. So do that for me, will you? Thank you. So what we have right now, these are pork ribs. If you've been on my Instagram, there's this pork lady who sends me some pork monthly and I've plugged you on that. If you haven't, come on my Instagram, I'll give you the contact. She sent me pork recently, so we are going to marinate this and then later on we are going to grill it in the air fryer. I know someone who asked me for a recipe both on TikTok, Facebook and Instagram, so here we are right now. You can use the gloves. You need to use proper gloves for food, guys. Let us not be using the medical gloves in food all because we want to look like we know what we are doing. Thank you. Anyways, so this is the marinade we made the other day. I am going to be using this Ziploc to marinate these ribs. Feel free to use your hands. It's your food. After doing this, I'm going to collect my marinade, which I'm going to stir just in case anything has stayed down. This is how it looks, by the way. And always test to tell if a salt is going to be able to penetrate through the whatever you're going to marinate and make sense at the end. So this one is not too thick. I'm just going to pour some of it, not all of it. I still have some chicken to also marinate using the same. So you seal and then go ahead to mix this. If you can vacuum seal it, please do. And keep it in the fridge or freezer for however long you want. Whenever you come back, this will be ready. Okay? This goes in the fridge for about 30 minutes as we get other things going and then we'll come and put them in the air fryer. Stay with me. Why are you cursing on my page? You know you can simply scroll. I've seen Chinese eating tatos. Nomanya tatos? Kantaka bati. Kanyango boti. Muna yabakalya kasebo. So our marinated pork ribs and put them in the air fryer the way they are. If possible, please marinate these overnight and have them in the fridge for as long as possible. We are going to set the air fryer at 165 degrees. My air fryer goes up to 220 degrees Celsius. So to make sure the heat does not get to the ribs when they are still raw, we're going to set it on low heat until they are cooked and then we increase it to 220 to crisp it up. But for now, we are going to set it at about 45 minutes and there we go.